We are in Karakol right now, and we are trying to access some of the locations which are completely cut off because the roads are completely blocked, and the only way to access those locations is by boat, and people are going through this almost every day. So number one, we want to also go and see that, and number two, we want to assess the road damages out there physically and see the whole thing myself, so that we're able to take necessary action at the earliest. And the extent of damage is great, really high. Many roads have been washed out, many areas, the landslides are huge, and I think this is one of the most devastating kind of flood situations that we may have faced in recent past. And it will take some time to restore. The district has been out of power for almost 5 days now. We are hopeful that in a few days, maybe a day or so, we should be able to restore the power back here. And we're hopeful that even the road connectivity, at least the clearance of the roads, should be done at the earliest. So right now, as I said, we are here to take this this journey here, and it'll take us about an hour and a half, close to 2 hours to get to Siju. So that's what we're here for today.
All this.
Sir, you are not required. Can get down, sir.
They will go with us, right?
You see all that, you see how big the river has literally swollen up. You can see all the banks have been severely damaged. This is after the rains have stopped a bit. So you can imagine if the rains had continued, the situation would have been quite bad. So we are on the banks of the Simsang River, and of course we have come to survey the flood damages and situation. And right across the river is the Palpagram National Park. So that all those trees that you can see and all that the forest that has been, of course, affected by the high floods. You can see the level to which the water level went up. So that's like almost 20 feet up. But it's a beautiful Palpagram National Park right behind us. River, and this is one of the boats, and we are using it today to reach that spot. Some water, all of Mausangam water, everything has gone to Bangladesh. You can only imagine the level there. Can't imagine. Sorry, no? Area has been destroyed. Even the transformer has been completely covered. Yeah. So after 2 hours of travel, now we have reached up Siju, and it took us about 2 hours to get here. And this is the first location. As I said, this is cut off from both sides, hence the only way to get here is to get through boat, and that's what we are. And now we're going to walk for a few kilometers and then see some of the affected areas out here. How's that? This was the parking area near Siju cave, which has been completely destroyed due to landslides and the flood that brought waters and stones in this area.
Dada ono sa mukra kemu sawa sangni sugu pe pam sawa iba mani na kanimu niora ikon ikon ma babu na amari ka hamang ra ni akan ora biya akan ora ama khode rungti jup kanga ni na ro taw de ono ra thola bibi nim wan uksul ba yang min niora bibi khosak rum se ba ne no khap de mamu anja no khap de mamu no janu khang nu ja khosak rum se be mu sa jup ka rangaro ende ba mag pa khode darang banik ja ende ba ini chongo pa bisa do ma bi dong pa mo chongo pa dong pa khona mag pura eno biado non thangaro ode madon thangpa kholanga ijo dade mandis kangkha kana nangni nokni bisana na re kaibo khana chimai ba chimai na waketna angsinde ikude nokni bisasa je khabu takna nanggen na kana ngimun ade sandiba dade ono sandiba ora damuk chiring ba dongja dade ade nogobe cholang gi sona kon endeke takka ungkida jaros jaba ade ba ade bolpat na de manjok mana de tade ono bolpat temu eche ang sadu sadisi ibora dirmni nokuna ibasimra ara uga dani phagin nokuna tongari kana dade ono sai mong muskok sai mong ni imo no mo ma sai pe ai Lại bây giờ.
This was a road here, which looks like completely a stream now. This is in Siju. Paano matanda? Saan? Is it better now? Sir, it's better now, no? 네? 마이크 맞습니다. 고친다. 무시겠지? 무시면 그 뭐고? 아, 뭐 이게 이따가 이렇게 मैं ताकि धारण नहीं बैठे हो सुची शोर तो चाह मो ताकि मुझे इतना काय को डॉक्टर नामी पाई नहीं नौकर को मुझे चाहा सीना सच्ची road in National Highway 62 is completely damaged.
Road is gone. Can you imagine the force of the water? So this is where the road ended, or rather this is where the road was, and its whole thing has been washed out. So literally this is like just in the middle, both sides completely disconnected. That's why boat was the only way to reach here.
This was again near road, and you see the road had almost become like a stream here again.
Whatever help, you can give them apart from house also other things. Yeah. We have reached the part where the GCBs are now there. This is the part they have to clear and move further to clear the other heavy landslides that are there ahead. Yeah, that's a nice pair of shoe you got. You know, I think going and clear the access as fast as possible. So I talked to MECL just now. They're saying that Karakul, the line has reached. So Karakul, they Karakul, Siju, and they're saying by tomorrow, Bakmara should be on by tomorrow.
This part has been cleared. Similarly, after clearing, we will go ahead to clear some more land. This area is the entire energy system.